to experience as a child, but they're cute and all. I'm not a dog hater. I'm not comfortable around dogs. Anyways, we are setting up for this photo shoot right now. We're gonna be photographing the kitchen. It's gonna be our first shot in this house. So now I'm setting up all the food props. Food props are kind of essential in a kitchen photo shoot because they really add life and color and a little bit of texture and vibrancy. So it's really great to have food props. Right now, it's a few minutes before the photographer is going to arrive. It's a little bit stressful and chaotic. We're trying to get as much stuff done because we don't want the photographer sitting around and waiting. We've got our team unpacking all the accessories and props that we've bought and borrowed for this photo shoot, so we can't wait to set it all up. I can't wait to see how it's all coming together. Right now, it's still just in the beginning stages. We always want to add some life and some color into our kitchen, and people always want to bring fresh flowers, but they don't always last and they die so quickly. So plants are another great way to add some vibrancy, texture, and color to your kitchen. Especially in a farmhouse kitchen, plants are so well suited to this style. I bought these fresh hydrangeas and they just wilted on me, but they told me at the store that if they wilt on you, you just have to crush the bottom a little bit and put some hot water. So I'm going to see if that trick works. I'm going to keep you posted. I'm very disappointed about my expensive blue hydrangeas dying right now. We have to put them in a little bit of hot water and see how it's going to come out. So we've done the trick and we're gonna wait and see if they actually come back. We might actually try these hot peppers. They look really good, but how hot are they? The photographer's on their way. I'm a little bit nervous because we still have a few finishing touches to put together, so I'm just gonna rush. I think we forgot a bag in the car because I'm missing a few accessories, so just nervously putting things together. It's been super busy and hectic this morning. The photographer just arrived. We are ready for our shots. The kitchen is just in its final touches. We're just gonna tweak everything as per the shots we take, and that's about it. We're ready to start this day. You might be wondering why it's dark. It's one of the tricks that the photographers use. They actually turn down all the lights and make sure that they're capturing all the natural light, and then if they need to, they actually use their own lights to actually power up the lighting for the photography. So we don't use any overhead lights, chandeliers, or pot lights for the photography. So it's almost the end of the day. We're kind of in the home stretch, although we still have quite a few spaces to still complete. We've done the kitchen, we've done the living room, we've done the den, we've done a couple of the fireplace features, and now we've moved upstairs to the bathrooms. So we've got a couple more bathrooms to go and the laundry room. So earlier today, my hydrangeas were dying. We put them in hot water. Now they're in my laundry room here, and they are a little bit better. I don't know if the trick fully worked, but I think it helped maintain them so they're not getting any worse.